Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Rabbani, also known as Rabbani FX. So welcome to my new YouTube channel where I'll be posting about Forex trading, how to start technical analysis, how to analyze the market, and many more. Okay, so my goal here is to make all beginners traders learn how to trade, learn the fundamental concepts, the simple concepts we use in analyzing the market trend to make money in the market. That's my goal. Okay, so if you are new here, kindly click on the follow button so next time you can see my video. Okay, so our today's program, I'll just do a simple introduction. So if you wish to see more of this video, you can follow, like, share, comment your thoughts so others can also share the video so others can also see the video and also benefit. So today's program is going to be about what is trading. I tell you guys the meaning of trading and how it works here, the types of trading we have here in the Forex market, risk management, the risk management we apply in order to minimize our losses and maximize our profits. Okay, so that will be on my next video. So this is just an introduction because this is my first video for this particular program I'm going to be taking in this program. So in this program, I'm going to be teaching you guys different strategies. I'm more a smart money trader and price action trader, but I will cover smart money concepts, which is the SMC, ICT, price action, with other little strategies, demand and supply, flip zone, all these little strategies I'm going to teach you guys. Okay, so but my main focus will be smart money and price action because I'm a smart money trader. Okay, so that's where my knowledge is. Okay, so if this video made your day, so kindly click on the follow button, like the video, share it so others can see the video and benefit from it. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Thank you once more again. Thank you for watching my video.